Welcome to the first session on how to use Speedquote. In this session we'll be looking at Speedquote.co.uk, the printer's interface, and looking to explain to you how to get the best out of it from the printer's perspective. This session is going to be a broad overview on how the system works. First of all, you need to go to the URL www.speedquote.co.uk, and then you will need to put in your email and password to log in. Once you've logged in, it will take you to your own private area where you can control all the pricing coming out of that and all the settings that are relevant to your specific account. So there are three main areas within the printer admin site. Firstly, you have the cost centers. The main role for yourself, the printer, in this area is to go through all the relevant cost centers, putting in the appropriate rates for your particular company. Obviously, the quality of the information that the system delivers depends completely on the quality of the information that you put in. So it's very important that you put in as accurate data as possible into each of the relevant rates within the cost center section. In the middle, you can see an icon-based estimating system. You can choose from the icons there, or there are further products you can choose from further down the sheet. To generate a quote, you would simply click on one of the icons or one of the products. It would open up a estimate form which you would fill in, and it would automatically deliver a price back to you. Once you've received the price, you can then drill further into the quote by pressing the View Workings button, and this will then show you how it arrived at the price, how it's aggregated the various and relevant cost centers, and allowing you to then go back into the cost centers to change any of the information which doesn't seem quite right. Up on the top layer, you have various other options. Home just delivers you back into this page. In users, you have areas for your details, access rights, profiling, information from Speedquote on the latest releases, latest updates to the system, homepage icons, which allows you to set the icons that display in the homepage, both for this system and for the e-commerce system if you choose to have that system. In customers, you'll be able to see the details of any customer that has derived a quote from you. You can send tracking information back to your customers, and you can also run various reports. Paperwork, you can set up your letter template. So this is the letter which your quotes will be automatically uploaded to. This is a branded corporate letterhead which you can send by email directly to your customers once the quote has been produced. Quotes can then be converted into jobs, delivery notes and invoices. Various archives exist: estimate archive, order archive and artwork archive. Artwork archive will be an archive of any artwork that is sent along with an order. Options covers miscellaneous items. If you want to create price list driven quotes rather than using the Speedquote engine. You have the facility to do that. Quick quote is a dumbed down option which appears on the e-commerce site and the national site, which enables buyers to quickly get a price without having to specify too many options. You can put in direct prices into the system here so that it will match those quick quote specifications. In copying, you can generate prices for copies and large format work, and design prices allows you to put in pricing so that the system can return automatic pricing on jobs that include design. Value added is a function which allows you to specify which processes are outsourced, and therefore by the time it's calculated the total job, it can give you a figure on the value added, i.e. the value of the work which is produced in-house as a percentage of the total work. Going forward, we're looking to add a contact management system. The final button is a feedback button where we ask you to send back any information that you need to ask us on how better to run the system.